tie back comes right up. And as you can see, this tie back goes flush to under the sill. There's nothing there. Water was leaking in there, and dripping in the inside, top of this door. It was about a 5-degree angle, notched. Something like this. All right. Put back this piece of siding. I got Roar helping me. Okay. Whoa. Here, hold on to that, will you?
Get in.
Oh, careful. Hard to do upside down, right? Okay, so the sill that I cut back, I sprayed with a primer. Okay. There's nothing, no real rot there now. Then I got the face, the sill, primered. Okay. I'm gonna lay it in, screw it in, and then the idea will be to wrap it in aluminum. So the brick molding will sit on top here, and I'm going to put some aluminum under the window and wrap it down the front, because you still have this situation here where I couldn't really cut out too much more without removing the window. I probably should have, but it'll work for now. And then I went nuts with the caulk and all the nail holes.